We have here a really old Carrier central air conditioner. 60s or 70s easily.
We have an old Carrier. Old Carrier. I don't know, 60s or 70s?
I doubt there's any data.
I didn't know this was here. I've been driving past this thing daily for years. Well, here's the data.
Is it legible?
It's a metal tag. Yeah, it is.
There's a Duquesne right here. Or no, I think this is a Carrier or Payne. This is a Carrier, and it's from '94. The funny thing is, we discovered this on accident after making a wrong turn.
Yep, we make a wrong turn.
Really convenient mistake. 1980 maybe?
I don't see this being 80. I mean, look at that Carrier logo. This feels older than
This is more like a 60s or 70s design though.
You have to look and
Got a ream on a chiller.
on the end is like a ream. It's in pretty good condition for
Aside from the rust, it's in good shape. It might still be used. Although the building is so run down, I'm not sure.
Yeah, this is the star of this video.
Guess I'll wrap it up here.